on me.
Hey, training day. Hey, where are you going? Front and center? Salute. Fine, you're too good. Okay. Hey, that's cheating. I didn't even ask. Not yet. Stand high five. Good boy. Right, this one. One more jump. One more. What the heck? Go on this side. Gotta jump high. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Thank you. And you want one more? Last one. Look at that. Look at that. Swati. Down. Barrel roll. Yeah. Good boy. She's the baby boy of the world. Oh! You pushed off my ball. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let's get this day started. Konnichiwa. Hey, go Bam. Okay, so today I'm catching up with chores, cleaning the house, doing what I can. I'm like part housewife and part working. Actually, I shouldn't say that anymore. We're all androgynous human beings. We all should have girl tendencies, whatever. This was sent to us by our good friends from Lions Kit, who is actually one of the sponsors for our giveaway, RX-8 build. It took 2 months for this kit to be delivered from Russia, but huge shout outs to Sergio from Lions Kit. Thank you. The kit itself is called the Rocket Vannya version 2. We opted for the second iteration, which is actually meant for particular RX-8 models. Yeah, there's 2 versions. The front fenders only work with particular headlights, so I'm not entirely sure how the fit's gonna be, but I've done my research. I know a few RX-8 owners who have ran the same exact setup, so it's all a matter of just making things work. And on this channel, you know, we're pretty good at doing that.
I know your body, I know your heart. Your eyes told me from the start, but then you fall back.
Ooh, amazing. There's Lions Kit sticker, which I'll probably rock on the car afterwards. What's sick is they actually give you the hardware and the nut certs that you're supposed to use with this kit, so that's awesome. Saves us a little bit of money. Another decal, and a sweet little Rocket Vannya wooden keychain. Now this is proper branding. Take these out carefully. Lion, what do you think, Go Bam? This is the kit. It's not that many pieces. What do you think, Go Bam? Lion. What the heck? Go on. Hey! Bro, I need that. Oh my god. No. I'll give you something else, buddy. You guys, FRS, space efficient. Or the Japanese just really know how to do it right. Release the boost! Do that! Oh man, straight away.
Yeah. Where you going? Oh shit. Biceps.
Yeah, you can actually feel he has muscle, dude. Ideally, I'd do this inside where it's a little cooler because the sun just came out. I mean, it's beautiful. This is actually really nice on the skin, but there's a few cars in my way, so we'll just do it out here. I know these are for the front side fenders. I was wondering what this is for. Oh, I think these go on the door. Look in the back, the official Lions Kit insignia. They glazed it underneath there. That's how you know this is authentic. These go on the front, but like I said, I'm not entirely sure how this is going to fit because this was meant for a different model RX-8, and you guys will know. And also remember, we have a different front bumper as well, so we might have to do something about this shape. I was wondering what was in this tube. They're posters, or so I think. Care to unravel those for me? Oh, what? Oh! Okay.
That's a nice ass poster.
Bruh, that's the kit we're gonna be putting on the RX-8, and it's an RX-8.
Really?
Wait, what? We'll throw that up somewhere for sure. Only after it's installed. Slick. That's actually a perfect spot. That's the entire kit. The whole Lions kit. Lion! Okay, so we're just gonna be test fitting one side. I mean, we'll test fit both sides just in case, but we'll start with the driver's side because that's where the gas cap is, and then we'll go from there. Lion! All right, let's grab our handy dandy tape and throw these on. See the front actually, can you step like right here? As you can clearly see, it doesn't fit that well with this front bumper, but I have met someone online who's actually rocking the same exact combo. So our Magic front bumper with the Lions Kit V2, which is meant for the Series 2 Mazda, which has a little bigger headlight, which is supposed to fit here perfectly. And of course, front bumper actually stops right here. It doesn't have this extra lip, but we'll work around it. Let's throw on the rest of the kit and see how she fits. So you'll notice there's this little gap right here. That's because this is where the side markers are located on the Series 2. And also it looks like we're gonna have to do a lot of cutting to make this even fit proper. And like most GT side fenders, it's really to help give you better aerodynamics that travel along the side of your car, instead of it getting trapped in the wheel wells. I'm saying we could probably get away with just 2-inch spacers because these are the wheels that I wanted for this car in the first place. And I don't really want to spend any more than I have to. Now for the front, it's kind of hard to gauge because we really need to cut before we can even install this properly. But there's so much custom work we have to do for it to fit with this front bumper. It's ridiculous. So I'm thinking I might actually just split this part into two and retrofit this somehow. Push this all the way to the bottom. Maybe that's possible. We can have a little vent area right here and then make some sort of splitter that attaches from here to here or something. I don't know, guys. Possibilities are endless. Plus, I really want to make this RX-8 build a super custom one-off. The only one of its kind in this world. Not just buy parts, put it on, and call it a night, you know? I want to make some custom pieces for it. Really KMR-ify it. That's actually such gross fit, mint. For this bumper, anyway. The rears fit so nicely, they just like tuck into place, and you can see exactly where you need to cut. It's perfect. Now for reference, I'm probably gonna end up using Throttle's Lions Kit RX-8 video because they're pretty thorough on it. They have like a 3-part build series on wide bodying their RX-8, so it should be fairly helpful for us. It's the fronts that we really need a little more help with. But hey, learning experience, and I'm excited to tackle it. Show you guys what this thing looks like from the front. Obviously front fenders, we gotta work on those. Yeah, this is supposed to be in a little more, but just wanted to show you guys, and more so for myself, I wanted to see what the kit looked like on the RX-8, especially since we've been waiting for so long. Next few days here, we're gonna be gathering all the materials we need. We still have to pick up the 2-inch spacers, which I can do at Wheel Pros, which is like a minute down the road. And what else? Probably in the next day or so, we can get to cutting the fenders and actually putting the kit on. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video early, guys. We're gonna be wide-bodying this ourselves. We've had our practice on the E36, and this build, since we're giving it away to one of you guys, I wanna do it right from square one. So yeah, wish us luck. Well, we don't need luck if we have faith in our own capabilities. See you guys in the next video. One sec, Gohan.
You can't beat the human.
I mean, at least he's eager.